Australia and I are in Palm Beach, Florida. Well, we're in Florida. We're all over Florida this week. We're in Miami, we're in Fort Lauderdale, we're in Palm Beach right now. We are here for floral samples and site visits, meeting our clients here. There's so much happening this week, so I have been really offline because of it. Yes, thank you.
You're very welcome. Freezer, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, how exciting!
Crib.
Oh my goodness, there's cookies and milk. Cookies.
Corn drink and around here.
You want it in the champagne glass? Girl after my own heart. Before and after. Now we're leaving. It's crazy. We are at our third floral sample in Palm Beach, and we are showing our client every single part of her event space. From cocktail hour, a little bit of ceremony, all of the drapery, the chandeliers that she's renting, all of the furniture that we have to bring in, as well as the after party and reception, and we cannot wait to share. We are starting first with our cocktail hour. We have the coffee tables and the couches. And we also are going to have these chandelier pieces for the ceremony, as well as urns and greenery. And then we enter into cocktail hour. These are some options for the tables at cocktail hour, some of the floral options. There's the highboys and the linens that we're presenting. And then we're also showing the client her reception. So all of the items from her floral, the candles, the linens, the chargers, the flatware, stemware, down to the drapery and the lighting inside of the event space. All of the different chair options we've brought in, as well as the different centerpieces for the event. And we are having 4 different types of tables, so we are showcasing all these different types of centerpieces for each of the tables. And then lastly, we're going all the way in the back, and we are showcasing their after party. And this is the vibe for their after party. Again, with all the drapery and lighting, and you guys can see how we transition from each of the different spaces. We are in Palm Beach, Florida, everyone. Welcome to Florida. We're here. We have an incredible 3-day destination wedding in 3 iconic locations in Palm Beach. Today is going to be an intimate rehearsal dinner with about 20 people, a sexy, sultry red tablescape. I can't wait to show you guys. It's so gorgeous. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit of yellow, a little bit of fun. And then on Saturday, we are going to end this epic 3-day weekend with a wedding at the museum. So tonight, we are on Worth Avenue, and we are going to come follow me. Paul and I came here 4 years ago, and ever since then, I've been on a mission to come back. Hey guys, I have been in Miami all day, meeting clients, doing tastings, seeing Constellation. Super excited for the weddings coming up this week and into next year. We're now opening up a location in Palm Beach. We have coordinators down here, producers down here. So we are offering full service wedding planning and event design for our Palm Beach clients, as well as all Florida. So if you have a wedding or an event down here, you can certainly contact us. We are going to be New York and Palm Beach based. I have had my eye on this town for a long time. I just love the legacy and the rich history of Palm Beach, the architecture here, the people. It's so fun and vibrant and beautiful. I just felt like I could really connect with the people here, and I think that they needed a little bit of LLG in their lives. So we have so far 10 events this year in Florida, and we are not stopping. 2026 is going to be even bigger. The linens look amazing. The candlesticks,
Yeah,
I love.
It's perfect. Here's our only dilemma.
Yeah, a dilemma.
Well, it's a challenge.
I'm sorry, the hair and makeup artist canceled for Saturday. No, I'm not kidding. She doesn't have any idea. 2 days before the wedding.
She's done a trial.
Like, what do you mean not panic? Of course I'm panicking. Who are we finding on the biggest weekend this weekend? Everyone has an event this weekend.
Everyone.
It's like the busiest weekend in Palm Beach.
Yeah.
So we'll see if someone can work it out.
I'm sure you'll figure it out.
Best of luck. This is what happens on wedding weekends. This looks very cool in here. I'm glad we have a little bit of light. Our bride is wearing a gorgeous dress with all these beads, and it's definitely a moment, and we needed to create an ambiance around our bride and around her style. So we're going to have a very dramatic red table, red florals, red roses, a red tablescape cascading off to the floor with gold candelabras, red tapered candles, and a very sexy velvet drape all around the room. It's going to be the first night, and it's an exclusive dinner party for the bridal party and immediate family. You know, I once had a mother of the groom that got very upset with me because I didn't tell her that her seat was in a bad spot. And I was like, you were right by the columns, like you selected your assigned seat. And she was like, it doesn't matter. It was your responsibility to tell me that I needed to move.
Yes.
So we're going to tell Cheryl she needs to move. And if she doesn't want to move, then that's on her.
Here.
Brian, I'm calling Cheryl.
Okay, great.
I wanted to just run by you. I see that you're all the way at the end of the table. Is that on purpose? Did you guys want to be that far on the end?
Yeah, Amanda did all the seating, and so it's wherever she wants us. So I'm fine with that.
Okay, I just wanted to double check.
And they pick us up at 5 here on the trolley.
Yes.
Okay, we'll be ready.
All right.
Cheryl, it looks so beautiful.
It looks so good in here. You're going to love it. You're going to love it.
Am I?
Yes.
I'm so excited.
Yes.
You're gonna
Flip out.
You're gonna flip out.
That's very pretty. I like that. Sandra, your flowers are stunning. Are these all real?
She was so offended that you even asked that.
But they look so, like, exquisite.
Yeah, they're exquisite.
I really do love the drape frost.
When it's smooth, it's smooth.
When
right?
it's smooth, it's smooth. It's so nice. I'm gonna be back here as soon as the rehearsal is done. I'll text you when I'm on my way.
Well, let me tell you, this is a Polka bag. I am wearing loafer randall heels.
Yes. So perfect. And tell us about the jewelry.
Diamond ring.
Hey guys, it is night 1 in Palm Beach for our next wedding weekend. Holy crap, I am freaking out. There is 3 events with 3 build outs and installs across 3 different locations in Palm Beach. This is certainly one of our biggest productions of the year. It is the biggest production the Flagler Museum has ever approved. So we have a lot of work to do. I cannot believe we are finally here for Amanda and Kevin's wedding. I'm on my way. Stay tuned.
This is insane.
I promise
Yeah,
you.
the drape was needed.
I told you.
Makes all the difference.
And all the difference.
I love it.
I love it. That's all that matters. It's gorgeous. Wait till the wedding. Are you happy, Cheryl? Okay.
I'm like,
Are you crying?
Have you ever seen the room like this?
Never.
Like I know this room. This is not the room I know.
Yes, that's the point. They've never seen something like this.
I gotta get a picture.
Night one, you saw their faces. That room is transformed. Renato's owners, they want pictures. They want to keep that room that way. Yeah. I mean, it was an amazing night. We can't wait for night two.
If this is the kickoff, just wait till you see the wedding.
Oh, the wedding. The next day is going to be a welcome party. So that event has all of these gorgeous yellow flowers, yellow orchids. It's gonna feel a little bit like Havana Nights, giving an ode to the bride's Cuban heritage. Very, very Palm Beach in a totally different way. I am so excited for this one. I just think it's going to be really cool. We have their initials in different floral. We have bicycles where they could take pictures. We have an ice cream station. Like, there was no detail spared for this welcome party. We really, really leaned in on all of the creative touches. And then of course, our finale at the museum, the green and white. So we have three very different styles and themes, very different dramatic colors. The first night being red, then yellow, and then we top it all off with that bold green color.
Beautiful day in Palm Beach. I've lost my voice from all the craziness. Just woke up after an insane night at Kachina. Guys, I totally understand why we do after parties there now. And this is the view from our balcony.
Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see. It's a good, good.
Hi! Is this the bungalow?
Yeah,
I love it! Oh yeah. Mwah. You look gorgeous. This is beautiful! Oh my gosh! Gorgeous.
It's like very old Hollywood.
Very old Hollywood, very glam.
I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see. It's a good, good.
Checking in on our bride and her mom and sister, making sure everyone's happy. And everyone's happy. Of course they are. How could you not be? It looks so good. I matched the decor.
There ain't nothing like this right here.
We're reunited. Our New York team meets our Florida
New York and
team.
Palm Beach.
It was 45 minutes it took me to get here. 45 minutes from, like I was literally 10 minutes away.
Yeah.
And I just had to get rerouted because Trump's in town. Trump.
Got a good thing coming, and it's all I need. Everything I wanted is in front of me. Stuck it up in the dark, sun is shining over me. I got a good thing coming. Just wait and see.
See, look how cool it is up here. She wants to understand what's going on. Yeah. I'm just getting a little worried about time. The buses are already there. All right, guys, I have a walkie on my back, but quick question for you, Heather. What time do they want to come here for photos? We're Trump's Secret Service. Yay! Do you think I could do it? Do you think I could ride around? All right, ready? Here we go. Bye, everybody. See you later. So essentially, I get to write my customization, choose your name, initial, special date, 2 words, and then customization request. And then we put it here. So everybody started out with the palm tree and the date of the event. And then everyone can choose to customize their 1942 bottle with whatever they want. I like the openness of this because I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna grab my my 1942 bottle, I'll grab a little shot, and then I'm gonna eat some pizza. Like, I kind of like this open, like this vibe. Hey guys, we are at the Colony in Palm Beach. Come follow me to Amanda and Kevin's welcome party. In the bride and groom! Woo! Oh, nice! Daffodils! What do you guys think?
This came out amazing.
It's amazing. I love it.
Unbelievable.
Can you take a picture? I'm gonna. Thank you guys. Thank you.
I was missing this moment.
Why? Where's my bride? Bride number 2. Where's bride number 2? We love it. We love it. Do you guys want to see the Coral Ballroom?
Oh, I forgot.
What a vibe!
This doesn't even look like the same ballroom.
It is not the same ballroom.
Yeah,
There she is, my star. My favorite mother of the bride. We need you to have your Devil Wears Prada moment.
It's bright. It's really beautiful.
So beautiful.
There ain't nothing like this right here. Got me seeing things crystal clear. So high, I can fight them all. It's gonna feel.
Whose truck is this? Dude, he hit! Otherwise, I'm gonna get in myself. Whose truck is that? Just gotta keep everybody moving. Sí, entrar al museo. So, primero, cuarto en el museo, okay? Ese lado aquí, okay? We're gonna have to make this work.
They're coming right now.
They're coming?